Okay, my dear students, I am Ali Akber RUMC Model College, lecture in mathematics. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6, topic conics, exercise 6.1. We have already give lecture 1, lecture 2 and lecture 3. Today we are going to discuss rest of the problem, that is lecture 4, example 5. Example 5. At first time we have to read the question, very important question. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus is 1 and the equation of the directrix is 3x plus 4y equal to 1. Determine the coordinate of the vertex. First condition, we have to find the coordinate of the vertex, find the equation of the parabola, length of the lattice rectum, and equation of the axis of the parabola, which is very important topics for any exam. Second reply, find the equation of the parabola. First condition, we have to find out the equation of the parabola. Second one, we have to find the coordinate of the vertex. Number 3, length of the lattice rectum and equation of the axis of the parabola. This is the given statement. Let us now solve this. Very interesting topics. This is the figure. Everybody draw the figure. This is the directrix. This is the parabola. Focus is s, 1. Px, y is a moving point. That is px, y be any point on the parabola. Let px, y be any point on the parabola. Let px, y be any point on the parabola. Also we have focus is equal to 1, 1, and this is the PM, which is perpendicular to the directrix. PM is perpendicular to the directrix. PM is perpendicular distance to the directrix. PM is, this is the PM from moving point to the directrix, is the perpendicular distance PM from the point P, that is Pxy. By the definition of parabola, SP equal to PM, that is PS is equal to PM. What is parabola? The distance from the vertex to moving point and moving point to directrix is always equal. This is called parabola. This is called parabola. We have already given the definition from the previous classes. By the help of definition of parabola, let us now write down PS is equal to PM. Therefore, distance formula, it is well known. Distance formula, this is everybody well known. x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. By the help of distance formula, x1 minus x2 whole square, that is, this is PS, x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square, plus y1 minus y2, that is y1 equal to y and y2 equal to 1 whole square, equal to perpendicular distance. Straight line 3.7 we have already discussed. What is the perpendicular distance from the point? Perpendicular distance formula from the point P, x, y to the directrix 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. The perpendicular distance 3x plus 4y minus 1 divided by square root of coefficient of x is 3 square, coefficient of y is 4, that is 4 square, coefficient of y is 4, so it will be 4 square. This is the perpendicular distance from the point Px, y to the directrix 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Now just simplification, squaring on both sides, then it will be square root 25, square root, after squaring it will be root square cancel, that is 25 into cross multiplication, just 25 into a minus b whole square, x square minus 2x plus 1, a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square. That means y square minus 2y plus 1 equal to 3x plus 4y minus 1 whole square, 3x plus 4y minus 1 whole square. Again I review the question. What is our target? This is the given question. Find the equation of the parabola. Whose focus is 1, 1, focus 1, 1, focus is 1, 1, and the equation of the directrix 3x plus 4y equal to 1, 3x plus 4y equal to 1. We have to find the vertex, length of the lattice rectum, equation of the axis of the parabola. Therefore, now next calculation. Now remove the bracket, 25x square minus 25 into 2x, that is minus 50x, 1 into 25, 25y square, 25 into minus 2y, that is minus 50y, 25 into 1, that is 25. This is a plus b plus c whole square. Apply a plus b plus c whole square. Apply a plus b plus c whole square. Apply a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So it is seen that a square, that means 3x whole square, 9x square, b square, that means 16y square, that is 4y square, that is 16y square, plus b square, that is minus 1 whole square, that is 1, plus 2ab, 2 into ab, 2 into 3 into 4, that is 2 into 4xy, 2bc, 2b, that means 4y into minus 1, that is 8y, 2ca, that is 2 into 3x, that is 6x into minus 1, that is minus 6x. After simplification, it will be 25x square minus 9x square, that is 16x square. This is 25y square, this is minus 16y square. From right to left, from right to left, that is 9y square. 24xy, this is plus 24xy. From right to left it will be minus 24xy. This is minus 50x, this is minus 6x, it will be plus 6x minus 50x, it will be minus 44x. 42y, this is minus 52y, it will be plus 8y. When you transfer from right to left, then it will be minus 42y. This is 25 plus 25, that is 50, this is plus 1, it will be minus 1, then it will be plus 49. This is the required equation of the parabola. This is the required equation of the parabola. We have already found out. This is the required equation of the parabola. After end of the calculation, it is seen that 16x square plus 9y square minus 24xy minus 44x minus 42y plus 49 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the parabola, which is very important topics. Now the axis of the parabola is perpendicular to the directrix. Axis of the parabola is perpendicular to the directrix. Axis of the parabola is perpendicular to the directrix. Axis of the parabola is perpendicular to the directrix. That is, what is axis? This is the equation of the directrix. This is the axis. What is axis? The equation of straight line passes through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix is known as axis of the parabola. The equation of straight line which passes through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix is known as axis of the parabola. We have already discussed from the previous class. Classes. Therefore, equation of the directrix is, this is the given condition. Equation of the directrix is 3x plus 4y minus 1. 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0, which is given. 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Equation 1. Equation of the axis. Since the axis is perpendicular to the directrix, therefore the perpendicular equation The equation of straight line which is perpendicular to the equation 1 is the coefficient x, y will be changed. The coefficient of x and y will be changed. That is, coefficient of x coefficient will be y and coefficient of y will be x. Then it will be 4x minus 3y. If there is a plus sign, then it will be minus. If there is a minus sign, then it will be plus. And arbitrary constant will be added. This is the properties of perpendicular equation. We have already discussed in the straight line chapter. First paper. This is the equation of the straight line which is perpendicular to the directrix. This is known as axis of the parabola, which passes through the point 1, 1. Which passes through the point 1, 1. This is the perpendicular to the directrix which passes through the 1, 1. Therefore, it must be satisfied. It must be satisfied. Now, write down in x and y. Instead of x, it will be 1. Instead of y, it will be 1. Then, it is seen that 4 into 1 minus 3 into 1 plus k equal to 0. After simplification, k equal to minus 1. K equal to minus 1. Now putting the value of k equal to minus 1 in equation 1. Putting the value of k equal to minus 1 in equation 1. Putting the value of k equal to minus 1 in this equation. 4x minus 3y plus k equal to 0. Putting k equal to minus 1 in the above equation. 4x minus 3y plus k equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the axis will be 4x minus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. 4x minus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. Equation 2. This is the equation of the axis. This is the equation of the axis. This is another answer. This is the equation of the axis. Now, solving equation 1 and 2. Equation of the directrix 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Equation 1. And this is the axis of the equation. 4x minus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. 4x minus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. By cross multiplication, let us now solve this. By cross multiplication, let us now solve this. X, this is x. 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4. And minus 3 into minus 1, and from upper to lower it is positive, and lower to upper it will be minus. In this case, minus 4, minus 3. Again for y, from this upper to lower it will be positive, and upper to lower. Again from this section and from this style it will be thrice x minus 1. In this case it will be minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4. Minus 3 into minus 1, that is plus 3. Plus 3. Now, for 1, 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9. And minus 4 into 4, it will be minus 16. It will be minus 16. After simplification, x divided by minus 7, x divided by minus 7, and y divided by minus 1, it will be minus 1. It will be minus 1. It will be minus 1. After simplification, minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1. So that's why x is equal to 7 by 25. X is equal to 7 by 25. And y equal to 1 by 25. Y equal to 1 by 25. This is the point of intersection of the axis and the directrix. This is the point of intersection of the axis and the directrix. Again go to the figure. It is seen that this is the axis of the parabola and this is the axis of the directrix. This is the equation of the directrix. After solving axis of the axis and the equation of the directrix, easily we can find out the point of intersection of Z. Point of intersection of Z. That is this is the point of intersection of the axis and the directrix. That is Z 7 by 25 and 1 by 25. This is the point of intersection of the axis and the directrix Z 7 by 25 and 1 by 25. Again, the vertex A is the midpoint of the focus. From the above discussion, we have already discussed what is A. A is the midpoint of ZS. A is the midpoint of ZS, where A is known as vertex, S is focus, and this is the midpoint of axis and the directrix. Here A is the midpoint of ZS. A is the midpoint of ZS. Now find the midpoint. Coordinate of the vertex. Coordinate of the vertex, that is A. Coordinate of the vertex, that is A. x1 plus x2. x1 plus x2. Coordinate of the vertex, that is ZS. S is S focus 1, 1 and Z equal to 7 by 25, 1 by 25. x1 plus x2. x1 equal to 1. This is 1. Plus y1. y1 equal to 7 by 25. 7 by 25. x1 plus x2. x1 plus x2. x1 equal to 1. x2 equal to 7 by 25. Whole divided by 2. y1 plus y2. What is y1? y1 equal to 1. y2 equal to 1 by 25. After simplification, it is seen that the coordinate of the vertex A 16 by 25, 13 by 25. This is the coordinate of the vertex. Coordinate of the vertex. This is our target. This is also another answer. This is the coordinate of the vertex. Again, length of the lattice rectum. Again, length of the lattice rectum equal to 4a. Length of the lattice rectum equal to 4a. Also, we can write down 2 into sz. 2 into sz. What is sz? Again, go to the figure. This is the sz. 2 into 2 times of 4a can be written as 2 times of zs. 2 times of zs. ZS, that means the perpendicular distance from 1, 1 to the directrix 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. ZS, that means the perpendicular distance from the point 1, 1 to the directrix 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Again I reply. ZS, that means the perpendicular distance from the point 1, 1 to the directrix 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. What is ZS? The perpendicular distance from the point 1, 1, that is focus, to the directrix 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, ZS is equal to the perpendicular distance from the point 1, 1. From the point 1, 1 to the directrix. What is the directrix? The equation of the directrix is from the above 4x. This is the equation of the directrix. 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y equal to 0. This is the equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix. From the point 1, 1. The perpendicular distance from the point 1, 1, that is 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 minus 1 whole divided by square root of 3 square. This is 9. 4 square, that is 16 equal to 2 into, after simplification it is seen that 2 into 6 by 5. 6 by 5, that is 12 by 5 units. 12 by 5 units. This is the length of the lattice rectum. This is the length of the lattice rectum. Where ZS is equal to the perpendicular distance from the point that is focus to the directrix. To the directrix trisects plus 4y equal to 0. To the directrix trisects plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the side note for clear understand. Where ZS is equal to the perpendicular distance from the point H 1, 1 to the directrix 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation of the length of the lattice rectum. This is the length of the lattice rectum. Again, let us now discuss example 6. Have any question about this, anybody? My dear student, okay, thanks everybody. Now we are going to discuss example 6. Example 6, very very important maths. Example 6. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus and vertex are 3, 4 and 0, 0 respectively. This is extraordinary important maths for national exam, internal exam, class tests and all sector. Example 6. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus and vertex are 3, 4 and 0, 0 respectively. In this case, we have to find the equation of the parabola. Read the question 3 times at first time, then easily we can solve this. Given condition, focus of the parabola and also vertex, also vertex is given, also vertex is given. Let the focus of the parabola 3, 4, vertex 0, 0 and the